Hello, in front of me I've got Endorfy LIX Onyx White. In this video I'll show you how to adjust pulling rate of your mice. Pulling rate, measured in Hertz, is how often your mouse reports its position and button activity to your computer per second. For example, 500 Hz pulling rate means the mouse sends data 500 times per second. 1000 Hz rate updates every 1 millisecond. The standard pulling rate is 125 Hz. 250 Hz is smoother, 500 Hz is good for gaming, and 1000 Hz is preferred for fast-paced games. 2000 to 8000 Hz is only in ultra-high-end mice, for example Razer 8K. This mice pulling rate can be set between 125 Hz and 1000 Hz. The more Hz, the better. To set it, make sure that your mouse is connected with your PC, and now go to Endorfy software. Go to settings and next adjust pulling rate right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.